2,000 years later.
Hey everyone, welcome back after many days. So जैसा कि आपने ये पेंटिंग देखी ही होगी पोस्ट में, तो आज हम इसी से बनाने जा रहे हैं एक पेपर फ्रेम. So for that we need a chart. You can also use an A4 size paper or any size of paper, just like this small one. So we are gonna use this painting and make a paper frame today. Let's begin. So first I have placed here the painting in the middle of the chart, and from 1 to 5 centimeters I'm marking each 1 centimeter so that we get 4 bars. After marking it, we are gonna make lines with the help of scale. And see that you get like these 4 bars on all the 4 sides. Make sure to leave 1 centimeter gap between the painting and the bars. Now if you have any extra part in your chart or in the paper, you can just cut it out. तो अभी मैं यहाँ लगा रही हूँ क्रॉस ऑन द बॉक्सेस विच आर एट द कॉर्नर्स. तो ये सारे बॉक्सेस की हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो हम इसे कट कर लेंगे. Now this is the important part. So I am zooming it for you guys so that you can see properly. So from the 4 bars of longest side, the last second bar you have, you'll mark there 1 centimeter and just draw a box like that, and the 2 bars which are beside them, you'll make a slanting line. Same on the both sides of the largest side. Make sure you do it on largest side only, not the other 2 sides. अब इसे हम कट कर लेंगे. Now we have to fold the lines which we have drawn here with the help of scale. It's time to stick them. Look properly how I'm adding glue and spreading it evenly, and then I'm folding the longest side, and then the smallest side is going inside the gap given. So yes, ये ready हो चुका है. But if you wish to paint it black, you can do that as well. So I'm gonna do that. Which one did you like of these, the white one or the black one? Make sure to comment below. Bye bye.